The toolbox contains tools to select, move, rotate, and scale objects in your scene. You can use the Q, W, E, R keys to quickly access these tools without having to select them in the interface. Whenever one of these tools is active, you can use the plus or minus keys to increase or decrease the size of the manipulator, respectively. Or hold J to transform the object along set increments. You can also hold Q, W, E, or R and left-click anywhere in the scene to bring up a marking menu of options related to that particular tool. Most of these options are the same as those available in the Tool Settings editor, which you can quickly bring up by double-clicking the respective tool in the toolbox. Double-clicking the icons of other tools in the shelf brings up their tool settings as well. Additionally, you can access the Show Manipulator or Universal Manipulator tools by pressing T or Ctrl-T respectively. The former is specific to the type of tool currently selected, while the latter incorporates elements of all the transform tools in a single place. Any current tool not normally stored in the toolbox is placed in the last slot here. You can then access it by pressing Y. Regardless of the current tool, you can always hold the tilde key to enter tweak mode, which allows you to make quick positional adjustments to objects or shapes without having to explicitly go back to the Move tool. Finally, you can press Shift plus W, E, or R to keyframe their respective transforms on the selected object.